1,
2,
3, let's go!
Good morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can probably tell from the title, today I am filming my healthy morning routine. In all of my like 6 to 7 years on YouTube, I've never filmed a morning routine. Bizarre. So I thought today I would film one for you guys, and yeah, here we are. So this morning I woke up at about 6:45. I actually missed my first alarm, which was set at 6:30, but I slept through it. I usually wake up anywhere between 6:30 and sometimes 7:30 depending on my day. If I have clients early in the morning, I'll wake up even earlier, but if I don't have any clients, sometimes I have a little bit of sleep in. So yeah, this morning I woke up, I did my makeup, which I don't usually do yet, but obviously I'm filming this video, so I thought I might as well look somewhat presentable. So I put some makeup on, made the bed, obviously got dressed, and I also said goodbye to Andy because he went back to work for his first day in a year since you know what happened. So that is crazy. When we were on our honeymoon last year, he got an email saying like not to come into work because all the offices had shut down, and it's been literally a year since they've all been back into the office again. So crazy. I think I'm gonna miss him today, but maybe I'll love having like the house to myself again. But anyway, I'm gonna make some breakfast now, and I'm feeling some Wheat Bix. I change my breakfast every morning. I usually have either Wheat Bix, oats, or toast, one of those three. And with the Wheat Bix, I either have them hot or cold depending on the weather, but it is freezing today and also really gloomy, so I'm gonna heat up my Wheat Bix with some like banana and coconut sugar. So yes, let's go. So I usually have about 3 Wheat Bix in the morning. I just feel like that's like a solid number. 4 is like makes me kind of feel sick. 3 is good. And yeah, I don't know if you guys have ever warmed up your Wheat Bix or not. If you have not tried it, definitely do, because it's so good. You kind of just like crush them into a bowl and then put them in the microwave for about a minute and a half, and it kind of like goes all, I don't know, gloopy, but I love it, especially topped with coconut sugar and banana. Chef's kisses. So I'm just sitting at my desk now, and this is about the time I write my to-do list and also do my journaling for the morning while I eat my breakfast. I either do that or I do my makeup while I eat my breakfast, but either way, I always have to write my to-do list every single morning because otherwise I would never get anything done. So I'm gonna write that now, have my breakfast, and then go for a quick walk before I have my first client call. So I'm back from my walk now, and I also just did my first client call of the morning. I was in a rush. Once I got home, I literally walked in the door and I had the client call in like 2 minutes, so I quickly jumped on that. But I guess that brings us to the end of this morning routine, which is so crazy because it feels very weird to only film a vlog for like 3 hours of the day. But that is pretty much my everyday life. Like, I literally wake up, make the bed, do my makeup, have breakfast, write my to-do list, I do some journaling, and I always go for a morning walk and listen to a podcast as well. Just because a lot of my day is seated when I do my online coaching, so I'm just sitting at a desk all day. So I try to make sure I get a morning walk, and also either at lunchtime or the afternoon if I can. I know a lot of other people usually in their morning routines would go to the gym, but I'd be lying if I said I went to the gym in the morning. I definitely work out in the afternoons. I don't even really know why. I guess it's just always been my routine. So at least getting up and going for a walk makes me feel just like a lot more awake, and I love moving my body in the morning, but just not an actual workout because I think I would pass out. I also would be lying if I told you I did like a skincare routine or anything, because I don't do that. I literally put on moisturizer and that is it. But anyway, if you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see a nighttime routine, please comment down below and I will film my nighttime routine for you. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!